You have to stop it. God bless you so much. Make everybody else live and prosper. You have to stop it. You have a son, me have a son. You have a mother, Maya have a mother, TJ have a mother. Everybody family live and see them on the internet too. And you alone have family where you love. Everybody love them family. The same way. So same way, oh, you don't want nobody to do that to your mother. You should have never do that to Maya. And you shouldn't do that to TJ because his mother, I have a mother too.
Oh no, sir. You and Tifa played a role in Ladies Are Leaving Dancehall. You think we don't remember when you and Tifa, you and Tifa, after Ladies Are had you everywhere. Everywhere Ladies Are when she had you and Cecile and Ladies Are, because we did in the road them time there. Yeah, go and say you're this new creature. Totally designed and redesigned by God.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know. The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's what you know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know.
Banging, what you know? You know it's SELECTIVE to the YB to the A to the D. So about that time, I say my viewers, my subs. Welcome back to the channel. And people, for those who don't know, I'm going to know right now, it is Cancel Romish season. You see me, I say, for the past weekend, you know the situation going on at the Rebels party when, you know, it can be heard in a video that Romish gave the order to go for him security to go ahead and, you know what I mean, box up the party promoter. You know what I mean, TJ, them box him, them kick him, them lick him, them fling him down, them pick him up, him turn right back. What a hard man for you see me as a people. But in the process, you know, him girlfriend, Maya, who is also a TikToker, you know what I mean, in the process, she try defend her boyfriend and, you know what I mean, them struck her down to the ground also. You get to me and say, and that evil cause a more disturbing, and that was even more disturbing to the people. You know what I mean? So you know the people them gather up. You know everything go viral right now. Everything is online. And you know Ramesh gave him apology, which TJ never really seemed like him accept the apology. Some people are saying Ramesh will get locked up, some people are saying for got jail, some people are saying lawsuit. But you know at the end of the day, them are gonna work it out. But you know Spice came on the scene, you see me I say, Spice went live and also spoke on the situation. And spoke she was part of being abused as a woman. You know what I mean? You know, she and Ramesh have some bad history over the years. So you know, she spoke from fear perspective. And you know, she had a lot to say on the matter. You see me I say, and calling out Ramesh and say over the years that's something we always do because, you know, he have influence over certain people because he have money and certain things like that.
Pretend for me not to put on my mouth and go and talk. And you me that mash mouth. You have to stop it. Look how much blessing God I give you. You don't want nobody else get sprinkled on. You don't want it sprinkled on nobody else. You come talk about dancehall live around in your yard. You have the whole of the selector them pray for play certain song. You have the whole of the TikToker them where you manipulate and I use them and I recycle it and I send go give them one another and I act you too. Hey. Me don't care. You don't like me already. No one night. You don't never like me from morning, no one night. I just start me a talk, I say it go. Mash mouth did I pay people for not play my song, no me have a couple platinum plaque. And it's a mad no. Because you plot up with so many men against me. And this one woman still a stand up strong. And you still the woman wonder why all now me can't flop and fail. Because you don't realize say there's one God. Me not done. So if you want to come me, but me not done the truth me attack.
So people right after Spice went live and said her piece, you know. Mr. Vagas went live and also had this to say.
Talking about God and your prophet and Ramesh to repent. And you fi repent. You get the run. You get the platform. You get the people's attention. And you did not put an arm around the sisters them in a dance hall where say them get abused. You come now because you find it convenient because everybody a beat Ramesh. You come now. One thing you can't go around, you know, you and your blues them, you know. You and your blue clan. One thing you can't go around is the truth. You cannot go around the truth.
Yes, man, people. Mr. Vegas basically I say, you know, with inner circle, she knew people that was abusing women and never called them out on it. You see me I say. And you know, allegedly, you know, we don't have Vybz Kartel matter due to the whole Gaza Kim situation. You know what I mean? Well, you know, Gaza Kim, you know, she also speak on the matter, and this is what she had to say.
I don't like what I go on. For the past few days, a lot has transpired. And for those who have been reaching out to me in my DMs, thank you very much for those messages. I really do appreciate them. I'm still there. I don't know where I go. Music is my life. So I don't know where I go. To the young lady that was assaulted, Maya, Mama, I'm sorry to say experience because it's not a great feeling. I mean, I talk from experience. It's not a good feeling. One thing when me never do a mode I like you to do is seek therapy and see if that can help you. If you feel like you want to go that route, seek therapy and see if it can help you. Because the fact that me never do that, we go through a wave of depression with no help. Other than my family, where we try a little thing or whatever, but me not get no real professional help to say, alright then, yeah, you get me? And one thing in a bad situation, where me consider to be good is video evidence. You get video evidence. You see, when you talk, say, such man make, you get disrespected, nobody can tell you, say, a lie you tell, because there is video proof for sure, say, yeah, you were disrespected for real. In my time, 15 years ago, the only thing I had was one Nokia banger. The only thing you can play upon it a snake game. You can't do no more text and call. That's it. The only person that was there, we could have said, we could have give people proof that I was disrespected, was Nick Photoworks, right? And him disappearing at thin air. You get me? But I'm sorry to say, what reach you, and it will get harder, but more you to be strong. More you to be strong.
So now people, after all of that ordeal, you know what I mean, I guess they did have some form of meeting or courthouse on TikTok. You see me I say with the TikTok lawyer, you know, where she had Spice and also Mr. Vegas, you know, to speak about the situation. And you know, Spice and Vegas have an 8-year relationship. I can't say it's a love-hate relationship. For some reason, Spice always feel like Mr. Vegas, not like her. For some reason, you know, we don't know why. We don't know what go on behind the scenes. You see me I say, at the end of the day, you know, we don't know the mix-up. We just come to do the fix-up. You get to me and say, so I play the live phone and make on the ear what go on, what did I go on in the courthouse. You see me I say, pan the live. So, people, no pray.
We selector and radio man, Ramesh pray for all you done.
Use you as a reference.
How did the world done happen?
If a man go right now, go catch him woman, him wife a cheat on him,
You're
and
all
you
over the place. You're all over the place. Just ask a question.
Are you
We
never
ask a
use that
question.
to a reference?
Which man?
Yes, Big B, I'm here.
Are you in Vegas Whitefall?
That me do
Madam,
that me realize.
take your emotion out of the something, lady.
Are you fit to
We're
go
asking a
there?
question.
You not take out your emotion either, Mr. Vegas.
Big B, let it stop.
Which artist?
You can use
which
a
artist?
reference.
Madam, you're not in music.
You can
Where
use
I'm asking you
something as a
again.
reference.
Since you don't want to call her name, which song?
Nobody come with
Them
the
hold
selector
them.
thing. We're talking about the incident because you're saying I'm using
Oh,
myself
no,
as
you
a
want
reference.
to talk about the incident. You don't want to talk about that.
So same way like how me can use you as a reference to say if a man
We have to go
might
there,
cheat
but
on him,
let us finish this point first.
Remember the same thing that happened to Vegas.
Hold on, we have to go to that point, but let us finish this point. We're asking you. Because this is the problem there, you know.
Let me ask
I'm saying you're
Vegas, let me ask
interjecting
you
yourself
something.
into the
Vegas, let me
situation
ask
when
you something,
the situation
because
is not
remember
about
say-
you.
No, but it's not about you neither. What you doing at the back here?
Facts.
Why
Facts.
it's not about you? Why you in at the back here talk about Spice?
Because you are the one who me have a challenge when they make it know say it's not
man,
about
me
you.
is your problem. It's not about you or me. So why me
you know
come
why?
talk and everybody else talk?
You know why you're being challenged on this?
No, you're not.
You're
You can't
being
challenge me,
challenged on
Vegas.
this.
Vegas, you don't realize you can't challenge me.
You have been challenged on
No,
this.
you can't challenge me
You have
because
been
everything
called.
what
Let me
you
use a
say
better
don't
word.
make sense.
You've been called out on this. You've been called out on this.
How can I be
because
called out when the world is
all right,
talking
so
about
let me
everybody's
explain.
talking about
Let me
this?
explain why. Let me explain why
How
you've
can I
been
be
called out
when
on this.
everybody's talking about it?
Can I explain why you've been called out on this?
How you
Let me
can't
explain why
call
you've
out.
been
You have
called
to
out on
use a
this.
different word. You cannot call me out. Everybody's speaking about
Yes.
the topic. Yes,
So what happened to
Mr.
the
Vegas
other
have a problem
hundreds of
when me
people
talk.
who were talk about it?
Madam,
Everybody attack.
why I'm calling you out specifically and not the 100 people?
Because
Can I
me have a
explain that?
problem.
Thousands of people are talk about it. So
Ah,
why
can I
she's so
explain why?
special?
So can I explain why? Can I explain why I'm calling out she and not the thousands of
Yes,
people?
talk.
Because the thousands of people, them, yeah, are
We
not
even
the
say
ones.
worse than what she has say. People are say
Madam,
worse than what she has say. So how you not jump
relax,
on them?
relax, somebody. I'll take your emotion out of the something.
No
What we're
emotion, they
saying
are
is,
facts.
what we're saying is, if I have nothing to say when my inner circle do the same thing, why am I coming out now speaking about this specific situation? That way I say.
Vegas,
Did
but your
Spice
inner
support?
circle, your
Did
inner
Spice
circle
support?
beat woman
Did
long time.
Spice?
Vegas,
Who-
but your
who from
inner
it?
circle
Who?
did a beat
Who?
woman long time. You never come out, come talk about it.
Who?
You know only for people we have beat woman long time. You never come out, come talk about it. So what you talk about?
Who? That is what you do all the time. You
Vegas,
mudsling.
Vegas.
You mudsling and
Vegas.
hope that something stick.
Mr.
You have
Vegas.
no evidence of that. And listen, let me warn you before you even go there. What you're saying is libelous. Yeah?
Mr. Vegas.
So if you want, what you're saying is libelous. Who from my inner circle beating people that I know about?
You know, I know. It
the
no
same
concern
people them in
none of
the
it.
music industry. The same people in the music industry that you're calling me out to say I should have come out, come say something. You did come out, come say nothing. And now your musical peers them. Why you never come out, come talk? The same example them that you are using to say I never said nothing. Mr. Vegas, that is in the music with all of us. Why you never come out, come say something?
Am I a part of any inner circle that does the same thing
that inner circle either. The whole of we in the same music
Ooh.
fraternity. But you want to take out yourself out of the music now and left Spice in the music. You can't trick me. You can't trick
Did
your
you say?
listeners.
Did you say anything? Did you say anything when Gaza Kim get beaten?
You did say nothing. When should he get the beating? You did say nothing. Because you is an
Yep.
artist in a music business. Me say you did say nothing. You can't trick me, Mr.
Yep.
Vegas. You don't like me for no reason.
Yep.
You never said nothing
Yep.
when should he get beaten. You did talk.
Yes.
You never
Yes.
said nothing.
Yep.
Mr. Vegas, you are a legend. Please to end
Did
your
you say
legendary
anything?
status like
Did you
it is
say
and stop
anything?
being a
Did you
narcissist.
say anything when Maka Diamond come out and say she get beaten at Shocking Vibes yard?
When me did get beaten, you did say nothing. Remember Beanie Man, the box me
Yes.
done.
Yes,
Vegas,
yes,
don't
on
start
stage
with
two.
me.
On stage
Vegas,
two.
you
Baby
can't
Shark,
start.
everybody burn out Beanie Man
Me
feet.
did get boxed down. You did come out, come say nothing. Since as you walk
No,
down the
no
road with
source-
me, because enough of you realize that years of history me has been at this.
Yes,
a long
we
time
did.
you don't like me.
Yes, we did. And guess
When,
what?
go
And
for
guess
the
what?
evidence.
And guess
Stop,
what?
stop. Go for the
And
evidence.
guess what?
Go talk when you come out, come talk. Because when me did in the music and them did box me down, you did in the music too. Go for the evidence now.
And
go
we
play
did
when you
speak
come out,
about
come
it.
talk.
We did speak about
He
it.
said, where
But
is
guess
it?
what?
Go for it right now. Pass
We
this live.
did speak about it.
Usher him out. Usher him out.
Usher him out. Usher him out.
Semantics.
TikTok
You've
liar,
been caught
But
with
Vegas,
selective
you asked
outrage
for the
and now
proof.
you're
Mr.
on
Vegas.
semantics.
TikTok liar. Usher him
When
out.
she said, as a matter of fact, when they said Beanie Man visit her,
TikTok liar. Usher him out. Because you know what happened?
is this your platform? Is this your platform? Is this your platform? Is this your platform?
This is
One
not
at
going
a
to
time,
happen again.
guys.
So,
One at a time.
Usher out, Mr. Vegas, let me finish my point because this not going to happen again.
All
Because
right,
you
in
make me a
mute.
call name.
In mute. Let's talk Spice. In mute.
TikTok lawyer, let me explain something. You see, Mr. Vegas, they over here a long time, I pressure me if you call name. I don't want to do that because, again,
Don't do that.
it's not
Don't
about...
protect yourself.
Thank
Don't
you.
do that.
It's not about anything else that happened. I've been in this business for years. I've been through the muds, the street. So a lot of times people see me come out and I talk from a place of hurt and them say me love problem and this. It's because I have been there. So when I was giving my examples, it's because I've also been there. So I had to use what I've been through to share to show that this is happening a long time time ago. Something else can happen. And me did there a whole long time and me can come out, come say, yes, it's true because I had this experience. You see, make me a call up Beanie Man name. I didn't want to even go there. But if I come talk about, oh, when this person backs down, you did talk. You did talk when me did I get abused in the music. Me never hear you, Mr. Vegas. It's not like you can make it look like you create this narrative all the time. Oh, you have selective outrage. That is not true. I'm one of the only artists that is very opinionated on anything that happens when it comes on to anything in this music business. That is why I want to love semi-problematic. Because I like to share my views and my points on things that I don't believe in is right. That's why enough of them not like me. So when Mr. Vegas a talk about, oh, when this happened, that happened, you did talk. Did Miss Vegas talk? This Miss Vegas, she did talk. Him never talk.
Spice. I'm never. I don't call any names on the platform. So I respectfully understand yourself here.
Yeah, but you have to
no. Understand yourself. Understand yourself, Spice. Anyway, back to the punchline. Back to the punchline. You said your piece. Can I say my piece? Can I say my piece? Can I say my piece?
Mr. Vegas, more ask a question. Spice, Mr. Vegas, we know when women speak out in the industry, they are treated differently than men. Women's voices are not heard in the industry. Is that a fact or a fiction? So
facts.
So isn't that you can say the reason? Because, all right, remember, hold on. Let me finish. Let me learn. Yeah, long time Spice and Macadam and Lady Saw. There was like we had few ladies in dancehall, and imagine them going up against this big fraternity where men are who control everything. Men are who control everything. Men who make things shake, and if you say certain things, you get blackballed, quote unquote blackballed. So can you give her that courage to say, like, yeah, she probably speak up in private, but probably you don't know. All right, say that happened because she was a victim also, and she's saying she never heard you speak up for her. So, is that true? Because she was a victim also. We all saw it. Growing up, we all saw it.
The whole industry, and we had to be speculating at the time because I don't even think she had said who did it or what happened. You know, who was the one who came out and said, it's Beanie Man? I think it was Baby Sham.
All right, we never call the name.
And everybody at that point stood with her. The point here is, there are so many sisters in this industry
just like myself,
get abused, just get abused by people that are a part of your inner circle.
You never spoke about it. You're in the inner circle as well.
Also,
you only have a problem with me.
Actually is a person where victimize victims.
And that's fine. That's fine for you to say that as well, because that's your opinion, innit?
It's not an opinion, it's a fact.
No, why do you say she victimized victims? Why you say that? That's a very strong statement to make. Why you say that? That's a very hard statement.
What she has no moral authority in this conversation. What she did to Danger was a travesty.
You never defend Danger.
What she did to Danger was a travesty.
Can I speak now? Make I talk before I come off?
In which way?
She victimized victims. That's really bad. She have a platform.
The evidence is there.
TikTok lawyer.
The evidence is there.
I've never seen that.
Let me speak so me can come off and leave this to Mr. Vegas, because I don't think he realized that I don't care about whatever narrative he paints of me. I have built a fan base.
You victimize the sister.
And that's fine. That's your opinion. But remember that this
It's not fine, and it's not an opinion.
You to have your opinion. But remember that this victim that you
Didn't you say you believed her? Didn't you say you believed her when she spoke to you about it?
You can't make this about Danger, because
Did you say you believed her?
Danger, because this is my past. The only innocent person in that situation
Did you say
was
you
me.
believed her?
Remember that the only person
How are
that
you
is
the only innocent?
was me. I I am the only innocent one because I was the only one that was not in the room. Vegas, Mr. Danger was in the room and my baby father was in the room.
So because you were not in the room means she's not. So because you were not in the room.
So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave you to continue to hate me. But just remember that this black girl now stop fight and reach which part me I go. Without to know all who not eat and a fight, you can't stop me. You can't bring me down. So you go with your opinion.
Emotion.
You just know that you can't bring me down. You come talk about danger.
Not trying to bring you down. You bring it down yourself.
In the situation that is innocent because I was the only one.
You cannot say that. You cannot say that. And why is TikTok liar allowing you to say that?
You never in the
why
room.
the ladies allowing you to say that?
It's true. And you don't know if my baby father say true. But guess what? I was the only one that was not in the room. So I don't know where you're
But you're saying you're the only one who's a victim here.
Yes, man, because I was the only one that was not in the room. So how you make this about danger?
You can't say that.
Yeah, man, you can't.
There are so many sisters that were in the room that are victims. There are so many sisters.
You don't like me. You don't like me.
There are so many sisters who were in the room and they are victims. Not because you were not in the room means you're not a victim. That she's not a victim.
I'm like a mama, man. We're planning at something going much years. We are talking about the incident we have now. And now we are talking about. And you're straight from
so
the
that's not relevant?
That's
not relevant to prove a point that she has no moral compass here?
The girl friend come tell her, say, them did a death for real. The girl not change back her mouth. If she did believe the girl when the
but remember, the spice the offer her for peel line and then you come think that she never take up spice for her.
Hold on.
Why she never take up spice for the offer for go a court and all of this and charge him? Why she refuse?
Hold on, I'm not here to go on
a used to back her before.
But what I'm saying is,
you don't know where girl be, but you directly eat the girl. You not talk straight. You talk bias. You come for different rubbish. Nobody bias on the
not talk the truth,
Nobody not defend no rubbish. Nobody not defend no rubbish. This wave of blue is not gonna deter from me from speaking the truth. What you mean by the girl change her story so she change for her? What are you saying? What are you saying? That is rubbish. And me bring hope up on the scene.
Changing their story, Mr. Vegas. How can you back someone that come to you then nobody like? How can you back someone who don't want justice for themselves? First of all, that girl not cursing Spice Baby Daddy, she a curse Spice. Make it make sense.
The girl
Guys, let's get back to Ramesh. Guys, let's get back to Ramesh.
The girl was not cursing Spice.
It's not about Ramesh. Ramesh we are talking about.
Maya.
And TJ and Maya. Let's get back to that. Guys, don't put nobody in the box. Nobody in our box, please. Because especially for the person, nobody in our box. Don't put nobody in our box, please.
The girl did a fuck the girl, man. The girl never get no rape. Fuck she da fuck the girl, man.
So me ask a question. So hold on the TikTok line. Hold on. I want to, no man, let's just clear this up quickly. So you are here saying Maya and sympathizing with Maya, but you're saying that girl is not a victim?
Listen, I'm not saying
a victim alive.
I am not saying that.
How you know this? How you know this?
My son, I am not saying
Yo, that is a problem. That is the same. You are actually making my point. You are making my point.
Our best friend then talk.
Because the only reason why she's not a victim to you, the only reason why she's not a victim to you now.
Listen, we're going to change the topic here. It's not about danger.
Ramesh, you want to keep it on. When Ramesh get arrested, that we want you about.
Big up yourself, TikTok liar.
All right, big up yourself, Mr. Vegas.
So watch the man that you see me I say people, as I said before, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, you know what I mean, leave your thoughts down in the comment section and tell me what you think. When you feel like, you know, Mr. Vegas really I go too hard on Spice, or when you feel like Spice I be biased, because over the year you know the whole history between she, the Gaza boss, you know what I mean, and also our situation that went on, which we don't really want to speak on that because we don't want to be victim blaming anybody, you get to me and say. But at the end of the day, everybody entitled for their own opinion, and at the end of the day, you know, some people are going to talk bias. Some people are going to say Spice because, I know, I really are hate for Ramesh when she has people in the situation and she would not speak out. But you know, some people are going to say she went to a similar situation like that, so, you know, she can speak on it and use herself as an example. So, you know, as I said before. It's a 8-year relationship she and Mr. Vagas have. So, you know, them in the industry. I want to know what go on behind closed doors. Yes, man. So all I said before, like the video, subscribe, tell a friend to join the gang fam. Banging, watch it now.